So in this video, let us try to understand the ancient trade route between India and Europe. So this is where we are, India, and this is the Europe. As you can see, the left side, Spain, France, Italy, Germany, all these countries. So let's try to understand the geography first. This is the Mediterranean Sea. This water body, small water body over here, is a Red Sea, and this water body over here is the Persian Gulf. All right. So one route was this way to Persian Gulf, to Red Sea. Then things were brought over there. India were exporting spices and cottons, as you know. Other route was via Mediterranean Sea, via Turkey, via Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan to India. All right, these were the one is a land route. The upper one via Turkey is a land route, and this is the water route. All right. So the problems was now this region was initially occupied by the Romans, but in the 7th century AD, it was taken over by the Arabs. Right now, also these are called the Arabian countries. Once Arabs occupied this region, they imposed heavy taxes on the Red Sea because it is nearby. Can you see that? And on the Persian Gulf. So the export or import via Red Sea and Persian Gulf become costly because Arabs imposed new taxes. That is one problem. Now coming to land route, over here what you can see is the Turkey, right? Earlier it was, the capital was Constantinople when it was under Roman Kingdom. The Constantinople is present day Istanbul. You must have heard the name of the city. Very beautiful city, Istanbul. So this region, this area was occupied by the Turks. Right now, that's why it is called Turkey. Now, Turks, once they occupied this region, they closed this route also. So the land route was also closed. The water route was costly. So the European countries now were in lookout for a new route. Getting my point, right? So these are the ancient routes, but there was a demand for new route also. The next slide, let us look at the two routes in more details. So as I discussed, these are the two routes. One is blue colored one is a water route through Persian Gulf and Red Sea via Mediterranean Sea. Other is a red colored land route via Turkey and then Afghanistan and Pakistan, then India. If you see the red colored route, it is extended till China. So this is basically got a silk route. You must have heard this concept also, silk route. So these were the original ancient trade routes that India had with the European countries. But as I mentioned, the water route became costly because it was monopolized by the Arabs, and the trade land route was rather closed because the Turks occupied Constantinople, right? So European countries set out for a new route that which they can use to trade with India. All right. So in the next video, let us try to understand who discovered that route and what happened after that.